Companies today are more globally dispersed than ever, with employees located in multiple regions around the world. And getting timely and accurate access to information can be challenging in many organizations. In this demo, we're going to be talking about how to leverage a chatbot with Dialogflow, DataQnA, and Looker can help solve this problem. I'm John Ross, a Senior Product Manager for Enterprise Applications at Rackspace, and I'll be joined by Prashanth Soma, who's a delivery architect in our professional service organization. People across your organization make decisions every day that impact your business. Many of these organizations have developed a sophisticated data platform that can uncover hidden insights and trends, identify key drivers, and forecast business metrics. The insights derived from this platform are then delivered to decision makers via a self-serve dashboard. These dashboards are built to monitor the data and allow for a certain level of customization within the leverage data set they pull from. However, they need to navigate across multiple dashboards and reports while properly interpreting the meaning of the data within the limit of those reports. If your decision makers require ad hoc queries for further analysis, they will be dependent on a DBA or an engineer to run those queries. This typically requires submitting a ticket to get assistance, resulting in an undetermined amount of time to insights. A static dashboard is merely useful for monitoring your data. It doesn't really give you the real-time intelligence that you need. Today's decision makers need an interactive, user-friendly platform that leverages AI capabilities and the entirety of your data to deliver the answers you need when you need them. By utilizing Looker and a conversational BI bot that leverages machine learning to interpret user intent, you enable your decision makers to ask the platform direct questions within their messaging app while letting the platform do the work of the processing and the interpreting of the data. Let's take a look at how this works in practice.
This is Google BigQuery console showing the help desk data issue table, which has 100,000 records and 9 different attributes. This data can be better represented in a form of a dashboard to get better insights from the data. So this is a traditional dashboard which is showing the distributions of each of those attributes, and we can explore the attribute values from here. Now, another way of doing it is through Looker. Looker is a powerful business intelligence tool where there are workflows created for business users through which they can connect to the database and directly get the data instead of relying on IT. And Looker creates AutoML models, and it also creates automatically some derived attributes and understands what type of calculations to be performed. On Looker, it's very interactive to create a visualization. You can click on any of those buttons and then the filter would be applied. And it's even simple to create a pivot just by clicking on a button. And then, so this is how the Looker provides interaction. It also has plugins, loops, and it also provides AutoML models, which help the business to directly interact with the data and explore the data. This is a Looker dashboard, which represents the same data in a different format. It not only provides rich content, it also provides some additional features as well. So let me walk you through this data. This data is of help desk data. 30% of issues are normal, and it has issues, requests, and issues. And these are other information about the data. Now, if I have to know the resolution flow, if there is an issue related to authentication, and we'll say it is a normal issue, and even it's a simple P3 priority, and a trainer can access it, fix it, and with a seniority level of 5, it would take 4 days for the resolution time. This is how the data is represented. The better way or the other way to interact with the data is to interact directly through a bot. This is a RAX chatbot which can help interact with the data, predict this response flow, ask natural language questions to the BigQuery console, and do some other machine learning capabilities as well. Let me start with predict response. Sure, I can help my email address. And now the bot is asking what are the issues that I'm facing. These are the top issues. Say I'm not able to log in. So behind the scenes, it understood this login is an issue related to authentication, and it ran a BigQuery AutoML model. This is the BigQuery job ID, and gave us an estimated response time of 4 days. This bot can also be accessed in your favorite communication channel. If you're unable to access this portal, you can directly access the bot from the channel. This is the Teams bot. It can be accessed right from the Teams window or even on your mobile phone. And the other options we have is we can ask a question instead of querying the database. You can ask the question right from here from the to the bot from the app. So these are some top questions. Say if I want to know top 3 priority by some seniority. This natural language query question has been translated into a SQL query, and then there's a BigQuery job that was run, and this is the result. I can also ask most experience. So again, it understood the question. This is done using DataQnA feature of BigQuery, which understands the natural language and translates into a SQL. So let me copy this job ID. And let us go to the logs. So these are the logs, and this is the question that I've asked the bot, show me the frequent experience. It went and executed a BigQuery job and got the results and displayed the results.
The architecture view, where the business user accesses the bot from one of the communication channels, in this case Teams, and sends request to Dialogflow. Dialogflow will parse the request, provide the response, or it will make a webhook call to Looker for analytic, Data Studio for analytic, and for accessing data, it will make webhook call to BigQuery for natural language, DataQnA, and for running the machine learning model, BQML. And the app that is being hosted on Cloud Functions. So this is the tech stack where we are using Dialogflow, Cloud Function, BigQuery, DataQnA, Data Studio, Looker, and Node.js. And for channel integration, we are using Microsoft Teams, Azure Bot Service, and Bot Framework. You can follow these articles, or the integrations are available from the Dialogflow. There are one-click integrations. One is for the Dialogflow Messenger, and then the other is for the Teams integration. And for this demo, we've used the help desk chatbot and the Teams integration provided by Dialogflow. You can refer to fulfillment, Dialogflow fulfillment. We're using BigQuery and BQML model creation. And for hosting the bot and Looker, application is built on Node.js using Cloud Functions.
Thank you for watching. We're offering a complimentary strategy session with one of our AI solutions architects to learn more about how your business can leverage AI and machine learning on Google Cloud. Visit us at rackspace.com/LP/AI-ML bot-consultation to learn more.